This is probably one of the most exciting things I got. Now, because it's the size of it, I'm so impressed with it. Now, it does have a little clip, if you guys can see that. That means you can put it on your hats, pretty much, or anywhere, or you can even clip it on yourself. It's just one of those things that I like. It's really petite. It has this charging station on the top, which is the Type C, if you guys can see that, right on the top where you charge it. It shows you the actual types of different lighting. If you guys can see, there's two of them, two knobs in here, one center and one out. So that's mostly the center ring and then the outer ring. All right, let me show you in the darkness how powerful this little light is. Look at that. Really bright, all right? That's just one. And then if I want to change it from the actual surrounding light, you can do that from, or going to center it. And this is the center light. So you can change it different modes in here. And then of course, if you double click on it, 1, 2, 3, it changes the colors, all right? So at night when you're running or jogging, you want to be able to people to visually see you. This is a perfect way. So 1, 2, 3, click on it and it does different features. 1, 2, 3, it does other features. 1, 2, 3. If you guys can see all the modes it has, that's a flash. I'm pointing it down so you guys won't see everything, all right? And of course, hit the one button, it goes solid. So if you do twice, 1, 2, it changes the color. 1, 2, different tones. 1, 2. It's a flashing. 1, 2. Look at that. Different colors. 1, 2. It's changing all the rainbow colors, if you guys can see that. 1, 2, 2 clicks, and it does a bunch of different LED lights. Not only is it white, bright, all right, it does all the colors that you want, all right? So if you're using for a special occasion or something, you can actually change it through here. And of course, the best thing I like about it clips on. I use this with my hand. I clip it on when I'm walking at night. If I was riding a scooter, I'm taking this with me, of course, because if some of the scooters at night or bike riding, they're not very visible. So this is a perfect thing. Look at that. Changes different modes by just do two clicks on it. 3 clicks is going to change the entire mode, all right? So all the LED lights that it has, all the modes. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.